Most people think working in finance, it's all about crunching numbers and wearing a suit. But guess what? Finance career go way beyond just Wall Street. From tech startup to big consulting firms, there are tons of options, and today I'm going to break it all down for you. Assalamu alaikum, I am Author Syed, and in today's video, we are diving into the world of finance careers. Whether you are a student, someone looking to switch careers, or just curious about what is out there, this guide will give you a clear map to explore all the different options. If you are new here, I talk about finance, business, and personal growth. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Finance is one of those career fields that really versatile and offer high-paying jobs. But the question is, where do you start? Well, let me break it down into three main categories so you can get a better understanding. Number one, traditional financial careers. Investment banking. What it is? Investment banking involves helping companies raise money, either by issuing a stock or bond. You could also be involved in merger and acquisition, where two companies combine, or in other big financial transactions. What is great about it? It's high-paying field, especially if you work for big banks like Goldman Sachs or JP Morgan. You can expect to make a lot of money through salary and bonuses. Challenges? It's known for being intense. Expect long hours, often 70 to 100 hours a week, especially if you're working on big deals. The work environment is fast-paced and can be stressful, so you have to enjoy working under pressure. Who it is for? This is ideal for people who thrive on challenges, are highly driven, and don't mind putting in the extra work for a high reward. Second, corporate finance. What is this? In corporate finance, you're managing the money of a company. You might be involved in budgeting, financial planning, making sure the company is on track financially, and helping the company grow by making smart financial decisions. What is great about it? It is a great career if you are interested in business and want to understand how companies operate and make money. It can be a bit less stressful than investment banking, but still offers a good salary and a chance to make a big impact on the company. Challenges? While the hours might be a bit more regular than investment banking, you will still have to make quick decisions and problem solve a lot. You need to be good at strategy and thinking long-term about the company's financial health. Who it is for? If you like business strategies, problem solving, and want to work on a big picture decisions that affects a company's future, corporate finance might be the right path for you. Third, accounting and taxation. What is this? Accounting and taxation role focus on helping businesses manage their finance and helping individuals or companies file taxes. In these roles, you would handle financial records, prepare tax returns, and make sure everything is in line with tax law. What is great about it? These roles are steady and provide job security. Every business needs accountants and people need help with their taxes. So there is a constant demand for accountants and tax experts. It's more predictable career compared to the high pressure, fast-paced nature of investment banking. Challenges? The work can be repetitive, especially when doing tax returns, and you might be stuck into front of computer for a long period of time. However, the stress level is generally low than in corporate finance or investment banking. Who it is for? If you like attention to detail, working with numbers, and prefer stable work environment, accounting and taxation could be a good fit. It's perfect for people who want a job with consistent work and a clear path to grow. Here is the summary. Investment banking is for those who love challenges, enjoy fast-paced environments, and are driven by high salaries and big deals. Corporate finance is a great choice for people interested in business strategy, making smart decisions, and playing a role in a company's long-term growth. Accounting and taxation is perfect for those who want a steady job, are detail-oriented, and enjoy helping businesses or individuals with their financials. Accounting and taxation is perfect for those who want a steady job or detail-oriented and enjoy helping businesses or individuals with their financial management and taxes. Each of these paths offers a different lifestyle and set of rewards. So choosing the right one depends on your personality, work preferences, and financial goal. Point number 2, emerging finance fields. Next, let's look at some exciting newer finance fields that are growing fast. Number 1, fintech. What is it? Fintech is a combination of finance and technology. It's about using new technology to make financial services more efficient, accessible, and easy to use. Think about PayPal, Venmo, or Cash App. They all are making money transfer faster and simpler through technology. Why it's booming? Companies like Stripe, Robinhood, and Square are changing how we manage money, invest, and even pay for things. These companies are making banking, investments, and payments easier and faster, often with just a mobile phone. If you like technology and enjoy problem solving, fintech could be a great area to explore. It's an industry that's growing fast, and there are tons of career opportunities in software development, data analysis, or working for startups that are changing the financial world. Second, cryptocurrency and blockchain. What is it? Cryptocurrency is a type of digital money, like a Bitcoin or Ethereum, that exists only online. It uses blockchain technology, which is a secure and transparent way of keeping records, so no one can mess with the system. Why it is hot right now? Decentralization finance is a big trend in the world of cryptocurrency. It's all about creating a financial system that doesn't depend on traditional banks. This opens up lots of new opportunities for people to invest, trade, and manage money in completely different way. If you're interested in digital currencies, or if you love the idea of a new tech that could change the world of the finance, cryptocurrency and the blockchain are exciting areas to get into. There are roles in everything from tech development to investment and even legal services around these technologies. Sustainable finance. What is it? Sustainable finance focuses on investments that are good for the planet and society. Instead of just looking at how much money you can make, people are now looking at how companies impact the environment, society, and how they govern themselves. This is where ESG, environmental, social, and governance investments come in. Why it's growing? More people and companies are caring about sustainability, whether it's a fighting climate change, supporting diversity, or making sure business are run ethically. ESG investing allows you to make money while also making positive impact on the world. If you are passionate about the environment, social issues, or ethical investments, these fields could be for you. There is a growing demand for professionals who understand how to invest in a way that is good for both the planet and the portfolio. Why these fields matter? These areas represents the future of finance. Whether it's the new tech in fintech, the revolutionary changes in cryptocurrency, or the ethical focus on sustainable finance, each of these fields is growing and offers lots of exciting career paths. If you have an interest in tech, social issues, or new ways of managing money, these fields are worth exploring as they could be game changer for your career. So whether you are into tech, helping the planet, or diving into new kind of digital money, these fields have a lot to offer and they are just getting started. Financial consulting, what it is. As a financial consultant, you help businesses or individuals improve their financial strategies. This could include advising on things like budgeting, investments, taxes, or even long-term financial planning. You get to use your expertise to solve problems and help others make smart financial decisions. Why it is a good fit for you? This is a great career if you like working directly with the clients and making a real differences in their financial lives. You get to use your knowledge to create practical solutions for people or companies. It is also a good option if you like variety because you will work with different types of clients and situations. Second, freelance financial planning. What it is? Freelance financial planning means you help clients manage their personal finances, plan for retirement, and make investment decisions. But you do it on your own terms. You work remotely, set your own schedule, and you can take on as many clients as you like. This is ideal for someone who values flexibility and independence. If you don't want to be tied up to a 9 to 5 job and want to work on your own schedule, this is a perfect option. You can work from anywhere, helping clients through video calls or emails, and you can scale your business as you grow. Third, finance content creation. If you love explaining finance concepts in simple terms, you can create content about finance on platforms like YouTube, blog, or even through coaching. You can teach people how to manage their money, invest, save, or plan for their future. There is a huge demand for financial education online, and people are eager to learn. If you enjoy sharing knowledge and teaching others, this career could be both rewarding and profitable. You could monetize your content through ads, sponsored posts, or even offering personal financial coaching. Plus, you get to be your own boss and have creative freedom in how you share information. Why this career works? These non-traditional finance careers offer a chance to use your financial expertise in a way that's flexible, impactful, and often more rewarding than a typical finance job. Whether you want to help others directly, create content, or work independently, these options let you carve out your own path and make a positive impact in people's lives while enjoying a fulfilling career. Here is the secret that many people know. You don't need a finance degree to get a job in finance. What matters most are the skills you bring to the table. Things like problem solving, data analysis, and strategic thinking are often more important than having a fancy degree. Employers are looking for people who can think critically and help solve real-world problems. So let me ask you, what is the biggest challenge you're facing when it comes to breaking into finance? Drop it in the comments below and let's talk about it. Now, if you're serious about getting into finance, here's your action plan to get started. Pick a path first. You need to decide what kind of finance career you want. Are you interested in traditional finance job like accounting or investment banking, or maybe something more tech-driven like financial technology, or even an alternative path like working in a corporate finance or as a financial consultant? Knowing where you want to go is the first step. Develop key skills next. You need to build the skill that employers are looking for. Some essential skills in finance include: you will need to be comfortable with spreadsheet for financial analysis. Financial modeling. This involves building a model to forecast financial outcomes, which is important in many finance jobs. Blockchain basics. Even though it is a new technology, understanding the basics of blockchain could set you apart, especially if you are looking at fintech or cryptocurrency jobs. Gain experience. You don't need to start with a full-time job to gain experience. Look for internship, side projects, or even freelance gigs. The more you can learn on the job, the better. These experiences will help you build your resume and give you real-world skills that will set you apart from other candidates. Network strategically. Networking is so important. Connect with people in the industry on LinkedIn. Go to finance event. Many are virtual now, and join industry discussion or forum. The more you put yourself out there and meet people, the more opportunity you will have to grow your career. Networking is not just about who you know, it's about learning from others too. I would love to hear from you. What finance career are you most interested in? Maybe you're considering becoming a financial analyst, working in investment banking, or even looking into roles in cryptocurrency. Drop a comment below and let's chat about your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps support the channel. For more career tips, finance insight, and advice, be sure to check out my other videos. I will see you in the next one. Assalamu alaikum.